You will learn ionic strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte. Equilibrium of weak electrolyte. Electrolytes are substances which dissolve in water to form ions. Most of the ionic compounds which dissolve in water form ions in the solution, and they are called as electrolytes. Electrolytes conduct electricity. The conductivity is due to the movement of the ions towards the oppositely charged electrode. Electrolyte normally conducts electricity in the molten state also. A non-electrolyte substance does not dissociate to ions in the aqueous solution and does not conduct electricity. Strong electrolytes are substances which completely dissociate in the solution. The dissociation is 100% and ions do not combine back to form the unionized form. For example, sodium chloride is a strong electrolyte which completely dissociates to form the ions. Sodium ion and the chloride ion does not combine back to give the unionized sodium chloride. Faraday discovered that some electrolytes do not undergo full dissociation. He called them as weak electrolytes as they are only partially dissociated. Many organic acids are weak electrolytes. They do not undergo 100% ionization. Some weak electrolytes are only 0.01% dissociated. You will learn about the equilibrium in a weak electrolyte. Consider a weak electrolyte, acetic acid. It does not fully dissociate. The dissociation is very weak in acetic acid. It is nearly 5% dissociated in water. When the ions are in equilibrium, the equilibrium is represented by the rate of formation of acetate and hydronium ion is equal to the rate of the formation of acetic acid by reverse reaction. You have learnt electrolytes are ionic compounds which do not conduct electricity in solid state but conducts electricity when it is dissolved in water or in a molten state. A strong electrolyte has ions even in the solid state. When dissolved in water, the ions get dissociated. Whereas weak electrolytes are those which get ionized to a lesser extent when dissolved in water. Weak electrolyte ionizes to form ions, and the ions combine back to form the electrolyte. There is an equilibrium established. This equilibrium is studied under ionic equilibrium.